Now we will see how to create a new RFI in the web. Let's look at this activity called reinforcement, which is scheduled for the 13th of February, and I want to create a RFI for this reinforcement prep inspection. So I come to this button here. As you can see, it is not yet started, so and thus is in the RFI stage. So I can come here and say manage issues RFIs. When I click on that, it goes to the RFI or an issue page. Here, as you can see, currently there are no RFIs. I can create a new RFI by clicking on this button called Raise RFI. When I do that, this window pops up which asks me for which inspection. So currently, as you see, there are two inspections. I'm doing it for the reinforcement prep. I give it a title, let's say latest drawing. So I want to confirm which is the latest drawing, and I can give a description. This is in case there are revisions and so on, and then I can set a due date. When I click on this, it gives me a date range beginning from today till 6th of February. Now the activity was planned for 13th, so it is putting the inbuilt backward time and ensuring that by default the inspection, the RFI needs to be responded to by the 6th based on the inspection start time. As a user, I can set any date I want. I can say, let's say I don't want to wait till 6 because it is a fundamental drawing in itself, and I want a response by 29. So I can pick a date, and I can also pick any attachment. Could be a JPEG, any image or a PDF. So I'm picking one here which is a drawing number and say okay, please confirm this is the latest drawing. I can say save. When I do this, this RFI gets created and it says this RFI is here and its current status is open. That is very important because as we close the close the RFI and move to the next stage, we need to ensure that all the RFIs are closed. This RFI can be created, of course, only by the site engineer, and thus you can see the current login is that of Sri Ram, who is a site engineer. If I go back to the dashboard and go to level 2, you will now see that there is one open RFI.